The year 2024 marks the disappearance of the infamous flight Malaysian Airlines MH370. On March 8, 2014, Malaysian Airlines flight MH370 departed from Kuala Lumpur International Airport en route to Beijing with 239 individuals on board. What began as a routine flight quickly spiraled into one of aviation's greatest mysteries. Just 39 minutes after takeoff, the aircraft vanished from air traffic control radar. The pilot's last radio communication was routine and uneventful, but the plane failed to make the required contact with Vietnamese air traffic control as it entered their airspace, marking the first sign that something was wrong. Shortly after this last communication, the plane's transponder, a crucial device for tracking aircraft, was turned off, rendering the plane invisible to civilian radar systems. Despite this, military radar and satellite data showed that the plane had turned around and was traveling backwards Malaysia. It continued flying for several more hours before disappearing from the tracking systems, presumably running out of fuel during its final leg. This disappearance triggered the largest search effort in aviation history, involving numerous countries and extensive resources. The search initially focused on the South China Sea and the southern Indian Ocean, covering approximately 46,000 square miles. This monumental effort, conducted by Australia, Malaysia, and China, yielded little until July 2015, when a piece of aircraft's flaperon was discovered on Reunion Island in the Indian Ocean. This confirmed that MH370 had indeed crashed into the ocean. Additional debris found along the eastern coast of Africa supported this conclusion. Despite these findings, the formal search was suspended in January 2017 due to lack of new evidence. In 2018, Ocean Infinity, a Texas-based marine robotics company, initiated a private search under no find, no fee agreement with Malaysia. This search, conducted in a different area, also failed to locate the aircraft, leading to its termination after a few months. Recently, Vincent Line, an adjunct researcher at the University of Tasmania, proposed a new theory regarding the plane's location. Line suggests that MH370 might be in a deep trench at the eastern end of the Broken Ridge in the southern Indian Ocean. This region is known for its challenging terrain, including underwater plateaus and deep ravines, which Line believes could be an ideal hiding spot for the missing aircraft. According to Line, previous searches missed this location, and he posits that the plane might have been deliberately crashed there. His theory is supported by evidence suggesting a controlled ditching rather than a high-speed crash due to fuel exhaustion. Cardiff University researchers have also provided support for this theory. They detected pressure signals from previous aircraft crashes using hydrophones, which aligns with satellite data, indicating the plane's final communications. This data suggests that MH370 might have gone down near the so-called 7th arc, an area identified by satellite data. The disappearance of MH370 has left 239 families seeking answers and closure. Memorial services continue to honor the passengers and crew, reflecting the profound impact of the tragedy. In recent developments, Ocean Infinity has proposed a new search based on updated evidence. Malaysian authorities have stated that they will only consider if credible new information emerges. Malaysian Transport Minister Anthony Locke has expressed openness to this proposal. Investigations into the flight's disappearance also examined the actions of the pilot Zahari Ahmad Shah. It was discovered that Shah had used a home flight simulator to practice routes similar to MH370's flight path. While this has led to speculation about a deliberate act, official reports found no conclusive evidence linking Shah to a mass murder, suicide, or hijacking. Additionally, the investigation looked into passengers who were traveling on stolen passports but found no evidence linking them to the plane's disappearance. The mystery of MH370 remains unsolved, with each new theory and search effort contributing to the ongoing quest for answers. The story of MH370 continues to captivate and haunt the world, symbolizing one of the most enduring and enigmatic puzzles in modern aviation history.